My name is Mr. T.M. Zulu. I'm from Zululand District. Currently, I'm the principal of the school there, that is Dwaleni High School, the school that is doing very well. I'm very glad to be part of this strategic planning with the officials from the head office, where we are trying to come up with the strategies that will make us as KZN being number one, as we achieved 90.6% last year. So the experience that I'm getting here is that we are trying to brainstorm and to look at those challenges that we're facing and how are we going to enhance our results even more. It's fun. There's a lot of things that I have learned here, and also I'm just glad that also I'm part of that strategic planning. I'm contributing as I'm one of those principals who are doing well in making sure that also in the province of KZN also we are making sure that we'll always excel. So that's that. Thank you so much.